I want to show you how to make this angel pendant. I'm using 3 mm bicones and 2-inch chain for the legs and feet, Calla Lily cone for the skirt, and angel wing spacer by Amoracast. First I do the legs, and I take a small head pin, I thread it through the 3 mm bicone, then I make a loop using round nose pliers, then I slip the chain inside the loop before closing it by wire wrapping. And I use a pair of flat chain nose pliers holding on to the loop as I wrap around it closed like this. Then all I have to do is clip and do the same thing on the other side. There is one side, and then I do the same. Using a head pin, I thread through the middle so that I've got legs now. And then I put on the skirt with the pearl for the body and the angel wings. Now all of these things could be substituted but the essential is the skirt and the angel wings. Then make sure that it's hanging the way I want. Then I use a pair of round nose pliers again to make my loop. Sometimes the longer the head pin, the easier for grip. And then I switch to a pair of chain nose pliers, and I do the same thing on the top as I've done with the feet, and I close it up, make sure that it's tight the way I want. Now I clip, and I could put my earring hook on, or I put out the chain with a jump ring, and here is the finished product.